How many cups are here?
5.
5. Come and write 5. Very good. Then throw the ball. Again throw the ball. Throw the ball fastly. Very good. How many cups fallen here? எத்தனை கப்படா விழுந்திருக்குது கீழே?
1.
1. அந்த 1 எங்க எழுதணும்டா தங்கம்? How many cups are remaining there? No. How many cups are here? Count பண்ணுங்க.
4.
4. Very good. You come and write here. Answer. Answer is 4. Very good. Darshan க்கு எல்லாரும் clap பண்ணுங்க. Very good. Darshan சூப்பரா பண்ணிட்டான். Darshan சூப்பரா பண்ணிட்டான் இல்லையா?